Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. The name of this line dance is called You and Me Together Forever. It's an easy dance. The music is so beautiful. Of course, I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. And if you're interested in dancing to the music, watch till the end and I'll attach the video. If you are in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Last but not least, please join me and let's mess it up. Soul line dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana at the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. We're getting ready right now. Registration opens June 1st, 2023, and you can book your room. All the details, you can register at our website, book your hotel at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. And I'm looking forward to seeing you there. So guys, let's go. So I'm going to face in this direction. And this is going to be a one-wall dance, okay? So the first step starts with a mambo, out on the right, out on the left. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, real simple. Then we're going to do a cross tap, cross and cross. The right cross across against the left, across the left, and the left goes across the right. Let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to add 4 sailor steps, and you have an option. The dance is choreographed. We'll take the sailor step around with your right shoulder going forward, full turn. 4 sailor steps, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And make sure you get around, because 8 you have to be back here. If you don't want to take it around, you can do 4 sailor steps in place. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So far we have the mambo, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it around. 1 and 2, get around, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Now, next step is heel, step, left, right, heel, step, right, left, heel, step, left, right, heel, step, right, left. So you start with the right, heel, step, left, right, left heel, step, right, left, heel, step, left, right, heel, step, right, left. And she put a little swag to it, okay? Make it a little sexy. Heel, step, and roll around with the hip. Heel, step, left, right, heel, step, right, left, okay? And you're going to do 4 of those. So let's put it all together. We got the mambo, we got the cross tap, we got the sailor steps all the way around, or you can do it in place. We're doing 4 of those, and then heel step. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sailor, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Heel step, 1, 2, roll the hips, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last step is be on your left. Now we're going to slide up on the right, tick, tick, and slide. Tick, tick, look back. Again. Tick, tick, and slide. Tick, tick, look back. Now, what did I do? I step up on the right, step, tick, tick, left, slide, step left, tick, tick, look back. tick, tick, look back over your shoulder. Again, 1, 2, 3, and slide. So step on that left and drag on the right. Step forward on the left, tick, tick. Step on that right and just look back. And look back. Step forward on that right, tick, tick. Step left, drag right. Step forward on the left and then look back. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, drag 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and the weight is going to be on your left. Let's do that again. 1, 2, drag 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So you step up on that right tick, tick, step left, drag right, up left, tick, tick, and look. Forward on that right, tick, tick, and drag. My weight goes on the left, I drag on the left, step forward on the left, tick, tick, and look back. Okay, I'm doing lende or shuffle to the right. Right, left, right, rock, recover, left, rock, recover, dip right, dip left, rock and forward, right, left, left. My last step is on the left. So I did a lende or shuffle to the right. Right, rock, recover, left, right, left, dip right, dip left, and right, left. So let's put together what we have so far. Okay, let's do a review. We have a mambo, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sailor step, full turn with your right shoulder coming forward. 4 sailor steps, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Heel step, 1, 2, roll the hips, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, roll the hips, 7, 8 is 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step tick. 1, 2 and 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, drag 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lende. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, dip 1, 2, 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8. So the last step is here. Now we're going to do a quarter turn. So we step in, looking at the left wall, quarter turn to our left. 1, tap 2. So you do the step, step, touch. Step on that right. 1, 2, 3, tick 4. Again. 1, 2, out, 3, tick 4, rock, recover, shuffle left, shuffle right, rock up, turn back, 2 triples, left, right, right. Okay, so we did. We here. We step on that right, turn to the left. Step, tap, out, tick, rock, recover, come back on that left. Rock, recover, shuffle left, shuffle right, rock up, turn back, recover, left, right, right. And that's a full turn. Rock, recover, turn back, left, that's a half, and right. And the same thing we did on this side, we're going to do on this side. So let me give you the count. Stepping up on the right, turn it to the left. 1, 2, 3, tick 4, rock 5, 6, 7, and 8, shuffle 1 and 2, 3, 4, turn back, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yes. The last step is on your right. Then you're going to step, turn to your to the opposite side. Stepping up on your left. 1, tap 2, 3, tick 4. So you step, turn it to your right, quarter turn on the left leg. 1, 2, out, 3, tick 4. Rock recover, 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8. shuffle 1 and 2, rock 3, turn back 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And you're back on your left leg. So the same thing we did on the right, we did on the left. So we step right when we turn to our left. We step left when we turn to our right. 1, 2, 3, take 4, rock, recover, 2 shuffles, rock up, turn back, left shoulder come back, 2 triples, step left, 1, 2, 3, take 4, rock 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8, 1 and 2, up, 3, turn back, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, from here, you're gonna add that same step with the step tick. Step tick and slide, tick, tick and look. Step tick, tick and slide, tick, tick and look. Okay? Now, we're gonna shuffle to the right again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock 1, 2, 3, tap 4. So we shuffle to tick, tick, shuffle to the right, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, dip, 1, 2, 3, tap, kick, ball, change. We're gonna do a full tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're not gonna lend it. We're gonna just dip to the right, dip to the left, dip, dip, tap. Okay. So when you did your tick, right? We did the tick, 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 and drag, and then we look, tick, tick, and drag, and then we looked again. Then we're just gonna dip to the right, dip to the left. Dip right, dip left, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, ball, change, full turn. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna make a full turn with the right shoulder coming forward. And here's the modification. The modification, if you don't want to make the full turn, just dip. 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Just hold here. Okay? But it's dip right, dip left, tap right, kick, ball, change. So it's kick, tap, back, full turn, full turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So what you're doing is you dip right, you dip left, tap, kick, tap, back. So you're kind of doing a kickstand. Kick, tap, back, to spin around. Okay? Full turn. From here, you're going to do cross and kick, and you're going to move back. So cross and kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Do it again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Once you do that, you start the dance over again. So it'll be 2 full rotation. I'm going to go through the dance again. Okay? That is the dance. When you go do your second rotation, your tag is when you do your cross and kick, the second rotation, dip right, you dip left, and rock, 2, 3, 4, dip right, dip left in the dance, rock, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So rotation 1 and rotation 2 are the same. And I'll go through them again. At the end, just stand in place, rock 1, 2 at the end of the second rotation, and just rock. Dip right, dip left, and rock. Rock, 2, 3, 4. So let's put it all together. Okay, we got all our pieces. Let's put it all together. Mambo. 1 and 2, out, 3 and 4, cross tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sail around. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Heel. 1, 2, roll 3, 4. Left 5, 6, roll 7, 8. Right 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Drag 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift it. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quarter turn. 1, 2, 3. Tick. 4. Rock. 5, 6. Shuffle. 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Turn back. 5 and 6, 7, 8. And quarter turn. 1, 2, 3. Tick. 4, 5, 6. Shuffle. 7 and 8. Shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Turn back. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Step. Tick. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Look. 7, 8. 1 and 2. Drag. 3, 4. Left. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Dip. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Crossing kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You move it back. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then you start over. So when you do those crossing kicks, moving back, you're going to be doing 2 sets of 8. And then you start the dance again. Start the rotation again, same thing. When you go to your crossing kick, you end with the tag. Dip, dip, and rock. 2, 3, 4. Dip, dip, rock. 2, 3, 4. That's the dance. You and me together forever. I'll post it with the music. Also check out the choreographer. She is smooth, guys. Y'all have fun with it. I hope to see y'all guys at the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. You have more than enough time to get your people ready. It's next year, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. You can book your room right now. Go through our website, and registration opens June 1st, 2023. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.